Welcome to Beautyistic, where we get straight to the point and help you discover what really works. Let's talk about oral care for a moment. Are you tired of struggling with flossing or using picks that don't fit between your teeth comfortably? Well, I've got a solution that's made for a smoother, more effective clean. Today we're reviewing the Gum Soft Picks Wider Space Dental Picks. Now, before we dive into my personal experience, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a Beautyistic review. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have coming next. The Gum Soft Picks Wider Space are designed specifically for those with wider interdental spaces, making them a perfect fit if you wear braces, have bridges, or even orthodontic appliances. These dental picks feature soft rubber bristles that are 25% wider than the original soft picks, giving you a better clean in between your teeth. The soft bristles help remove plaque and food particles, ensuring healthier gums, cleaner teeth, and fresher breath, all in one simple tool. These dental picks come in a pack of 72 individual envelopes, perfect for tossing in your bag, desk drawer, or keeping one in your car. They're incredibly convenient for on-the-go oral hygiene, which is something I personally appreciate. Now let's talk about how they work in real life. The first thing that stood out to me was how easy they were to use. I was able to slide them comfortably between my teeth without feeling like I was irritating my gums. For me, the wider design made a noticeable difference, as I often struggle with regular floss picks not reaching between certain teeth. The soft bristles don't feel too harsh either. No sharp poking or discomfort, just a gentle yet effective clean. In terms of usability, these picks are ideal for daily use. I found that they fit perfectly into my routine, both in the morning and after meals, without any hassle. They don't take much time to use, and I didn't feel the need for additional steps like rinsing afterward. Plus, I love that I can throw them in my purse and carry them everywhere. I don't need to worry about a bulky floss container anymore. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the wider bristles are perfect for anyone with braces, bridges, or wider interdental spaces. The soft bristles are gentle yet effective at removing plaque and debris. The on-the-go packaging is super convenient for daily use. Dentist recommended, which adds a layer of credibility and trust. Affordable for the quality and quantity you get. Cons: if you have tighter interdental spaces, these may not be the best fit for you. You might find the wider design a little bulky. The picks are disposable, so there's a bit of waste to consider, especially if you're using them regularly. When it comes to value for money, the Gum Soft Picks offer a solid deal. With 72 picks per box and the added bonus of being dentist recommended, you're getting a quality product that does exactly what it promises. You won't have to break the bank for a pack that lasts you a long time. For me, this makes them a good investment in oral hygiene. If you're looking for similar products, there are other dental picks out there, but Gum's reputation and the specialized wider bristle design make this a standout choice. Some alternatives might be cheaper, but they won't always have the same level of performance, especially if you need that extra space between teeth. As for build quality, the picks are sturdy for their purpose. The rubber bristles don't wear down quickly, and the individual envelopes keep everything clean and hygienic. I've used several picks over the past few weeks, and I've yet to experience any breakage or wear. Let's take a quick moment. If you're finding this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay updated with all our honest reviews. Your support really helps us continue bringing you honest, no-fluff content. As for customer support, I haven't had to contact Gum directly, but their reputation in the dental care industry is solid, and many customers report having positive experiences when reaching out to them. Now, what if you're looking for an alternative? While these are a great value, you might find a few other options, such as smaller packs or picks with a narrower design, if you're looking for something more tailored to your needs. To wrap this up, the Gum Soft Picks Wider Space are a great addition to any oral care routine, especially for those with braces or wider interdental spaces. They're gentle, effective, and easy to use. They do exactly what they promise, helping you keep your mouth clean and your gums healthy without hassle. So, would I recommend them? Absolutely, especially for anyone who wants a more convenient, effective way to clean between their teeth. If you've used these, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget the link to purchase is in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.